Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome back. We're happy to have you here on this Monday, January 6th of 2020. Start of a brand new decade. And boys and girls, if you want to know what a decade is, look it up. But I'll tell you, it's every 10 years. So that's what a decade is. So you're starting back at school at the start of a new decade now. So welcome back. Hope all of you had a good break with family and friends. We're all excited to have you here. We missed you tons, so we're glad that you're here and that we're going to start out this week and have a great one. So for birthdays to announce, no birthdays for today. So I don't have anything to announce for birthdays until tomorrow, which we do have a couple birthdays to announce. Our Paws are going to be brought to us by 4th grade students as they did their Paws right before Christmas break. But before I do that, our lunch choices today are popcorn chicken, barbecue rib sandwich, or sun butter and jelly sandwich. And here are our Paws by 4th grade.
All right, it is time for our Paws, and we have 3 students here from 4th grade and Mrs. Foltz's class to go over our expectations for Paws.
Make sure you be nice to the new names outside. If somebody falls, help them up. If you drop something on the ground, pick it up.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. At this time, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, girls, and everyone have a wonderful day. Like I said, we're all excited to have you back and can't wait to start learning all the great things with you again. So let's have a marvelous Monday. Have a wonderful day.